iPad Air, 10.9 inch in Starlight. So this is a new colour. So fairly standard Apple box, nice and glossy, very tight shrink wrap. Right, let's get this open. So usual pleasant experience. Grab the tag, you know it's box fresh. We've got quite a nice matte cover, very high quality. That's the outer box. Oh, there's a little crease in there. I don't know if you can see the camera, but that's fine. Right, let's get it open. So in typical Apple fashion, if we just wiggle it a little bit, hopefully it'll come out. Seems to be coming out a little bit slowly. Let's let gravity do its thing.
A little bit fiddly, but the price is going to be worth it. You get something on angle.
Right, lid off. There it is. So, I don't know what that is. A bit of yellow. It's odd. Don't expect that from Apple. Nice little pull tab. There's the unit itself. We'll open that in a moment. Let's just have a look at the goodies. Designed by Apple in California. So there's a little sleeve here. I'm expecting some stickers. I hope there's some stickers. There we go. The old Apple stickers. Still doing it. That's all. Don't really care about the rest. Just want the stickers. Little instruction manual. Well, little leaflet. Safety. An instruction manual there. Again, usual Apple, very clean, slick. Doesn't tell you much, but tells you what you need, what we need to know. Welcome to iPad Air. Volume buttons, Apple Pencil, wake. I mean, there's not much to it. They design these things so well. What else have we got in here? We have a USB-C charge cable. So I'm guessing it's a USB-C unit. That would be a good guess. Let's get this one open. So we can see it's the USB-C connector on both ends, and if we unravel it, it's about a meter. It's about a meter, maybe even less than a meter, something like that. What else we got? We've got plug. There's nice foldable plugs, which I really do like. Nice high quality. Just fold out like that. Lovely action. Nice and slick. Great design. Obviously that plugs into that. And then the other side plugs into your iPad, your iPad Air. Right, let's have a look at the main unit. We'll move this stuff out of camera. Not sure what that is. This little yellow thing shouldn't be there, but maybe Apple's not perfect. So let's unwrap it. Always a pleasant experience with Apple products. We can see nice camera. I'm guessing that's a light. Nice shiny glossy Apple logo. iPad Air. This colour, it's an interesting one. It looks silver, and only when you get it at an angle like this it kind of looks gold. So it's a silvery gold is the best way of putting it. That's the Starlight colour. So nothing down this side. On the top we've got two speakers. We've also got an on-off button, which we'll press in a moment. This here, you can see. The camera going to go on it. I think that's probably a mic, I would guess. Down the other side, there's a little plastic cap here. This is the normal Wi-Fi version, so maybe this is for putting a SIM in, but obviously I haven't got a SIM, so it's the same case maybe. And then we've got the volume buttons. Apple logo pops up, obviously. The usual multi-language. and then it takes you to the setup. So, but that is basically the iPad Air. Not too heavy. It's really nice weight actually. The colour's pretty subtle. I mean, it looks silver as you can see, and then it's gold, silver, gold, silver, gold. I actually quite like this colour, to be fair. It's unoffensive, really nice. About $570, something like that. Great value, definite buy. Another 10 out of 10. Right, the iPad is now set up. It's actually every time I do this, it's a more and more lengthy process. Lots of toing and froing, and have to put in Apple IDs and telephone numbers and click on buttons and Macs and requests and verifications, and but this is it. Really fast, really responsive. I mean, it's as you'd expect. Every time you get a new Apple product, it's just better and better than the last. So really looking forward to using this device. Great, 100%. Tempted to buy another one. Don't need another one, but they're so good. It's fantastic. 5 stars, 5 out of 5, 10 out of 10, 100%. Perfect.